Hello everyone and welcome to our review of this ergonomic mesh office chair for your workspace. This mid-back chair features human-oriented construction and thick cushioning for your maximum daily comfort. You can easily assemble the entire unit in 15 minutes with all the included hardware tools. The breathable mesh material and built-in lumbar support protect your spine during long work hours. A heavy-duty metal base provides great stability, while the smooth nylon casters glide across floors. This versatile chair offers a full 360-degree swivel for any home or office setup. Experience professional quality and reliable support with this modern executive seating solution for your home desk. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.